Hi YouTubers. A few days ago, you guys saw me make this really cute yarn dispenser, and I had so much fun with it. I have made tons of these, especially when I'm making a project that has a bunch of different colors of yarn, and you don't want to keep, your yarns all over the place and they're coming out. But anyway, this was a lifesaver. So I made that, but I also made these two cute ones. This one is like a nautical type of really pretty blue and has an ocean thing. And this one, I don't know, it's a really green floral print, but I love the colors where it has the teal and the lime green. But I'm saying this because I'm going to give away these two. So if you are a crocheter, or you have a friend that's a crocheter and you want to give this as a gift and you're a seamstress, then you have got to register to win this. If you're interested in winning these, I have the same rule with all of my contests. You have to leave me a comment and tell me to put your name in the box. So if you're interested, enter, because I'm going to choose two names, and these are going to be the names that have the most amount of requests. So if you request me to put your name in the box and you did the request more than the other person, then you're going to be the one to get one of these. And like I said, they are so cool. They are so cool. I can't wait to give them away. So like I said, if you're interested, leave me a comment, tell me to enter your name, and I'll enter your name. So thanks again for all of you who watch my channel, for all the comments, all the nice things you say. I really love it. Keep it up. And thank you for being such loyal viewers. So I hope that you put your name in the comments so I can enter you. Happy sewing. Happy crocheting. Bye now.